It is time for another property tour by your host, America's Realtor, aka Alex Maloney. Please be sure to hit that like button and subscribe button if you haven't already. And we are in. We are so in, y'all. This is, again, WELLSPRING Estates. And this is Grand Homes. Excellent builder in DFW. Very good production builder. There is your in-law suite with the full bath. And there's the wet bar over there. And we have a stacked formal and dining room.
Music licensing reimagined.
And a little office over there with built-ins here. Nice private area, modern lighting fixtures. Gotta love that. Grand does an excellent job with their lighting fixtures. And we have a half bath right here. Sorry for that toilet seat up. And let's go back this way. There's your fireplace as well. Spiral staircase, soaring ceilings. Floor to ceiling fireplace. And your wet bar. Under cabinet lighting. Modern fixtures again. Look at those bay windows, y'all. That's a triple stacked bay window. That is wild. You don't see that in very many production homes. Builders like Grand. Have your black quartz countertops. Your breakfast nook. We have some shelving here. And just to look at that real quick. Nice open floor plan, y'all. Grand is known for their open floor plans.
Artlist.io.
Oh yeah. Look at that grill. Awesome. That gas fireplace, y'all. Key. I'm a big cooker. Sometimes. And let's stroll on to the master bedroom. So we got 2 bedrooms on the first floor, y'all.
Artlist.io.
This is the master bedroom. And the master bath. Nice look at that right there. Modern glass. Standalone tub. Walk-in shower. Bench area. And huge walk-in closet.
Music licensing reimagined.
And some storage back there for like suitcases or whatever you want to put over there. Nice tile flooring. Good backsplash over there. At the site, y'all, that's really good. Double vanity, huge vanity for her. And there's for him. Love that wood ceiling.
Artlist.io.
Awesome. And let's go upstairs, y'all. Look at this staircase. That's a beauty. Holy cow. And here we are. Usually that light's turned on. Sorry about that, y'all. Gotta find the switch over here. And here's a study desk for all those young scholars. Shout out to all those future Harvard grads, law school, and athletes, or people that just go to school. There's a bedroom. Here's another bedroom. And we have a Jack and Jill, y'all. Vanity right here. Closet, walk-in. And we have the tub shower combo. Beautiful. Just like we like it over here in Texas. Yeehaw, y'all. And we got, I think this is the media room, y'all. They have it as a sitting area and stuff. I think it'd be a great media room. Hang the projector right there. Screen back there. Very nice. And
Music
see, I guess the
licensing
media room is over
reimagined.
there too. This is the game room. Obviously with the pool table, poker table. And I don't know, I put the media room probably over there. That's a good just like hangout spot. And I'm not a chess player, by the way. There's huge chess pieces over there. And another site, y'all. But they need to fix that. Looks way better when it's on, I promise. And here it is again. What a sight, y'all. This is a great floor plan. I love this floor plan. It's a great side of that spiral staircase
Music
and
licensing
that fireplace.
reimagined.
Let's head out here. Great outdoor fireplace, covered patio with a pool. Full disclosure, these houses do not come with pools. So if you guys need a pool guy, hit me up and they can do some renderings. But this is just to give you kind of an idea of how a pool would look. And that is it, y'all. Thank y'all for tuning in. Please be sure to smash that subscribe button for your boy, America's Realtor. And give me a thumbs up, please. And I will see y'all on the next one.